Hello everyone and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs. My name is Sylvia and in today's video I am going to show you how to give your crochet slippers non-slip treatment. I have decided to do this video because I had so many requests and also many comments, many questions. How do I do my crochet slippers non-slippery? And as I love to crochet slippers, I also know how dangerous it can get when you are wearing crochet slippers on the wooden flooring. So for today's video, I am going to show you treatments I like to use for my crochet slippers. As you know, the crochet slippers are really slippery, so you really need to add something to your slippers so they won't get so dangerous. So the first treatment, I like to use a glue gun. If you have it, it's very simple to use. All you need is just this glue stick and your glue gun. And once it's heated, you're simply going to create any pattern or maybe only the dots like this all over the sole of your slipper. Okay, so you can do maybe dots or something like this, or maybe you just want to go this way. Glue gun can be quite messy. Don't forget, when you using the glue gun, it's very hot. So make sure you're not touching the glue until it's fully dried, okay? And when you're using the glue gun, try to press it into the yarn. Let it dry. When the glue is cooled down a little bit, then you can press it while it's still a little bit warm. And this way you will get it nicely and much deeper into the yarn. Okay, so you can go this way, or you can use the dots only, or you can just go all over. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the treatment number one. So for the treatment number two, it's really easy to use. It's the bathroom silicone. You can use see-through one or the white one. I got this healthy kitchen and bathroom. And you just simply attach this nozzle and place it in this. You will need this gun as well. You simply place it inside, like so. This is my husband's one, so it's quite dirty. And push it inside and screw a little bit at the end, and then open the end. And once you screw it in, you will just simply bump it out. It's quite tricky, this one, but it's also working really well to create non-slip treatment for your slippers. And with this one, of course, you should wear the gloves. And now once you apply, for example, the dots on your slipper like so, you could just simply press it in to the yarn as well, so it goes nicely deeper. And you need to wait for at least 24 hours to dry out. Okay, so we just bump it like this with your silicone gun and apply. And you continue this way. And you can press it with your fingers and create maybe little dots like this. And please wear the protective gloves, which I don't have at the moment. And make sure you press it deeper into your slipper. I would go like 2 dots all the way down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And with the see-through silicone is even better. But this works well as well. And for treatment number 3, I got this non-slip mesh which I used for my racks. So this is very easy to use. You can cut any shapes or anything you like. Maybe you like circles, maybe you like rectangles or squares. But for me, I will cut these squares, and you can just place it like this on your slippers. So for example, 1, 2 and 3. And I got it from IKEA. It was very cheap. I got I think it was 2 or 3 meters for about 2 or 3 pounds. It was very cheap, and it's so useful. And you're simply going to sew it on your slippers. And I think you can also glue it with the glue gun. I haven't tried that, but I recommend to sew it on, because as you'll be moving a lot, it will stay nice and secured. Or you can just for this treatment you can maybe use one for your toe part and one for your heel part. You can create the circles as well. Maybe just cut it and use your imagination. And the most important thing is you'll be much safer, because crochet slippers are really slippery. Okay, you can do one long rectangle right in the middle. So this mesh works really well, and on the slipper you wouldn't even see because it's see-through. And this is one of my favorite treatments to make my slippers non-slippery. You can just sew it with the same yarn, maybe with the pink one. It's really amazing, and it's working really well. So this is the treatment number 3. And my last favorite treatment is this little bottle of gel. Sock stop treatment. I got it off eBay. It was about 10 pounds. But let me just tell you, this bottle will last you for very long time. Also, you can throw your slippers in the washing machine and wash it on 40 degrees. Always read the instructions how to use it. And it dries for about 10 to 12 hours. And this is the easiest way and super quick. Okay, so with this one, it's just straightforward. You apply the gel on your slipper. Simply just squeeze the bottle. Okay, so you simply squeeze the gel and add the tiny dots. Okay, so once it's dry, then you can repeat it again and again. And make sure when using this gel, you always wipe the end. so your lid won't get stuck. Before you close it, just unwipe it nicely, and then you can close it. And with this you can also buy different colors as well, and there are many to choose from. And that's it really. This is very simple treatment to use for your crochet slippers, and you just do any pattern you like. And also I like to press these little dots so it gets again deeper into your yarn. And don't forget to use the gloves. Okay, it says here repeat the process 1 to 2 times, but it's up to you. If you feel like you need to get it like more thicker, then go ahead and repeat it 2 or 3 times. And you can make these dots bigger, or you can just go, you can just go this way, or you can only go in the middle, or you can just do dots on your heel area and toe area. And just make sure when you wear crochet slippers you use one of these treatments or any treatment you have, because crochet slippers can be very dangerous when you wearing them on the wooden floors or on the carpets. They're fine, but not on the wooden floors. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will use one of these treatments, and I hope I helped you a little bit. So this is the treatment we have used. So this was with the sock stop. Then we had silicone treatment. Then we had a glue gun treatment, and then we had this non-slip mesh, which I use for the rugs, but this mesh works perfect for the slippers as well. And this was easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to share my video, like my video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ideas from me, Sylvia at Unique Stitch Designs. Thank you very much for watching.